Hey guys, it's Bassplay 12 or Mitch as you guys know me. You guys know that I normally would do a bass cover video or a travel video, but today's video is actually a train set unboxing. I've always wanted to have a Lionel Train Set, and I just thought, you know what, I'm gonna go for it. It's a ready to play set, so it's relatively cheap. And what I wanted to do in this video is unbox it for you and let you see what it looks like. So stay with me. This is a good way to go if you ever want a Lionel set and you don't want to spend a small fortune, because I know those Lionel sets can get really pricey. So I'll leave you the link to the Amazon link for this. So I ended up paying around $70 plus some tax for this. So let's go ahead and okay, so it comes with the engine here. Looks like a coal car. And then the two Polar Express like sleeping cars. There's the remote. And then there comes with all the track there. So what I'll go ahead and do now, there's your bell. So let's go ahead and take this all out and line this up so you can see everything. Okay, I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed how big this is. I mean, look at my hand. I was expecting this smaller version of this, so this is quite cool. This is a pleasant surprise. You know, sometimes you look at something and you assume it's going to be, a lot larger than you thought. I don't know. I was expecting something, Look at the size of this engine. I mean, come on, that's my hand here. I was thinking it was going to be something, maybe this size. I don't know. But here you go. There's the cars. I mean, that's well over a foot right there. That's pretty cool. And then all the track, you got some curved and some straight track right here. And there's the engine. There's the coal, like I said, the coal car that's going to go behind that. There's your remote. So there's your bell, your whistle, and then some voice effects. And then there's your forward and backwards. So all I got to do now is find 6C batteries, and I believe 3 AAA batteries, and we should be good to go to set this guy up. And then the next time, the bell. And then the next time, the voice. Okay, guys, so I just thought you might want to, enjoy seeing that. It was just really cool to unbox something like this. Like I said, I've always wanted a Lionel Train set. So if you want to have one of your own, it's again, the ready to play, I think is the way to go if you don't want to pay just hundreds and hundreds of dollars. And it's just cool for something, just to go around the tree. You don't want anything super expensive or fancy bells and whistles. You get bells and whistles, never mind. But anyway, it's super affordable if you just want something, you know, like I said, ready to play, where it's just out of the box and you don't have to worry about too many things. Just the batteries, or you're just going to have to make sure you have those on hand. So hopefully you enjoyed the unboxing, and I'll leave you the link to the Amazon link that I used to buy it, and hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Okay, guys? All right, I'm BassPlay12. I see you in my next video.